Welcome back to the channel, folks. Donnie D back at you. So today I got another one of those videos that most of you have been waiting for. Another time and cost video. And in this video I was able to help out a homeowner that I am so happy that I was able to help out. And he found me just in time. He had these two showers built and he realized towards the end, actually before they even grouted, that they were all installed incorrectly. So he found me, I came out to see the project, and I was able to essentially redo these showers completely down to the studs and give him, brand new showers that will last him and his family in his new home for a lifetime. So if you just want to know how much and how long, you can skip to the end of the video. Maybe down below I'll put the time in that I actually will share that. But for right now, I'm going to show you what went into the project, what I did here and whatnot. Stay tuned. Okay, here we go. This is what this shower looked like once I demoed it. So I had to actually add another layer of plywood. This is a condo with 24-inch on center joists. So I had to add another layer of plywood to make sure everything was strong. It was not at all. So all new subfloor there, brand new curb framed out 2x4s. All the sections there. New insulation on the walls where it needed to be. Now we're at the part where the shower is basically almost completely prepped. That's the mortar base to get the slope to the drain so the water drains properly. You have no puddling. Here's the hydroband board going up. This is a foam board that's waterproof on both sides, and the core of the foam is actually the waterproofing too. And then use a sealant, that white material that you see there, that's the sealant. And here is the shower, walk-in shower, completely flooded out, flood test to make sure that there's no leaks before tile goes anywhere. So a few systems I use here, but they work just fine. Here's the tile going up. These are 12 by 24 ceramic tiles, kind of like a 3D wave texture to them, kind of. I use a leveling system here, and what it is just clips that hold the tile together, kind of like clamps. That way you get little to no lippage between the tiles. Lippage is just when one tile is sitting higher than the other, so this gets them perfectly flat. Now there's a lot of prep work that goes into to do that, more than that, but anyway, that's that. Now I also did a few transitions here from the old tile work that was done in the home. From the previous installer that did things wrong, so I had to do some custom ramp transitions, so that way there's not a big step. It's just it's a ramp versus a big step up. So did that in all the bathrooms in the home, so that way it's a seamless, clean, easy install. I also did the entryway on a slab here when you walk in from the outside. These are 12 by 24 porcelains installed in a grid pattern. Here is the tub surround. I believe these were 6 by 18, something like that. Subway style tiles there. These were ceramics as well. That's the picture looking at it. They came out really nice. Nice clean look to them. Have the corner shelf there. Have the corner shelf there as well. Here's the walk-in shower. Got the pebbles on the base. Everything is clean, washed up, good to go. So that I actually tiled that wall from one end to the other. See where those pipes are coming out of the supply lines and drains for the vanity. Okay, the moment you all been waiting for. How long did this project take? Okay, so I want to go over briefly what I did here and whatnot. So I didn't do any of the plumbing work. The client handled that. What I did do is the following. I did the demo of both showers, okay? I did all the waterproofing, tile setting, tile grouting, and the caulk and silicone. Everything else the client handled, which was disposal of debris and essentially the plumbing work as well. He supplied the tile, I supplied the grout, all the sediment materials, and so on. So, that said, how many days and how many hours will happen to this project? Well, I have 20 days into the project, okay? And 100 142 hours. These are on-site hours from when I got to the project and when I left every single day. Okay, so 20 days, 142 hours. Now, the moment that most of you, I would say, have been waiting for, how much did this client invest in this? How much, did they essentially hire me and my company to do this project for? Their total investment, okay, to remodel both these showers was $18,300. Once again, $18,300. I hope this video gave you an idea, what you can expect to invest if you had to remodel your showers from demoing them out to completely redoing them. I hope this information helped you out. If you have any more questions, please feel free to send me a message, email, or even give me a call, and I'll help you out with your project. I love to help. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Donnie D, signing off.